George, what's happening? What's happening? Good, good. Let's see. Spider Lily, what's going on? Hi, Amelia. Good to see you. How was your weekend? Sell, sell, sell. Yeah, that's what everyone's saying. We'll see. Oh, sell on sale today. Yeah. Free shorts. Free shorts today. Corey, what's happening? Bruce Lee, what's happening? Spread's gonna be killer, yeah, sure. I'll sling around the micros probably because the spread's gonna be probably bouncing around. I also expect gold and oil to be moving. That's for sure. TJP in the house. Curious how the open's gonna be. I have no idea. Terry Trades in the house. What's going on, Terry? Good to see you. You guys ready? Should be wild. Should be wild. Cranston, yeah, gold and silver. Oil, yeah. Coming from, Kenny says, coming from a hot sunny beach in the state of Delaware. Yeah, it's nice and warm here too, up here in Maine. It's very nice. I'll take it. Cranston. It's happening. Think we move out of that daily messy range? Yeah, I think so too. We're gonna get something. So, a little disappointing. Last week, or Friday, I got slightly tilted. And I ended up blowing my two of my master accounts on Bullish. One of the accounts I had gotten 2 payouts and I was working on the 3rd payout. And I ended up just over leveraging. After I got down a bit, so I ended up over leveraging completely and blowing the account. So no live from Bullish for me, if they even have a live. Hey Tor, how many short and coupon? I'm fading all you guys. I'm going long. You're off the rip. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know. No idea. It's gonna be wild. You guys think, I mean, gap down, right? Or it is a gap down? Let's see. Magic 8 ball. What are your support ranges? I don't necessarily look too much at support ranges. I'm more of a breakout trader. Every time I try to like buy on support, I'm just horrible at it. So I kind of take like breaks and momentum. That's like my style of trading. But I don't know. I mean, it's hard not to have a bias tonight, but let's check out the Magic 8 ball here. Do we rip higher at open? Without a doubt. So Amelia knows it's probably best to fade the 8 ball because I bought this 8 ball on Temu. So in the past, it's good to fade this. So it says we're gonna rip at open, but we'll see. Yeah, who knows where we're going? I don't know. It's gonna be fun though. I was excited. I said, oh, this is not gonna be a boring stream, I don't think. It's not gonna be a boring market. Hey Keegan, what's going on, man? Full tilt futures in the house. Mayor, what's going on? Yeah, it did stink. I mean, yeah, it was. I got a little tilty. Yep, sucked. I did get a payout from Take Profit Trader. I don't think they've taken it out yet, though. No, they haven't. I did submit for a payout. Sat in crypto short since 12 p.m. Saturday. Oh, Cranston, you're a degen trading the crypto on the weekends. I never got into that. To be honest with you, I don't really know how. Boy, I burned the crap out of my hand today on a exhaust manifold. Hey Sherry, Beanstalk, Sovereignty, Cranston, what's going on? Small count? Oh, okay, yeah, small counts. Hi Sherry, Joom, hello friends. Joom here. Trickster. Anyone thinking oil is gonna go up as soon as the trading starts? I would be willing to bet. If I was a betting man. I think we get a gap up in oil. I'd be willing to bet. Am I gonna trade the open? Yeah, I will. I'll wait for a setup, but I'm definitely gonna be trading. I'll wait for an inside bar or a harami, or maybe I'll jump in on momentum. I'm not planning on touching the funded accounts until the market settles down a bit. Maybe not even until tomorrow morning. We'll see though. Hey Tyler, what's happening? Short the NQ? Yeah, that's what everyone's thinking. The masses are all short. But we'll see. Got about 7-8 minutes before the open. Gold swing longs about to pay off. It only took 2 weeks. I'll be willing to bet, Tyler. Nice patience. I'd be willing to bet oil and gold both jump tonight, both gap up. If I had to bet. It's Royal Trades. What's happening? Let's do this. Check something here. Damn it, gonna be open. I got ribs on the smoker. Yeah, so my my father's barbecuing up some spare ribs too, I think. So come 8 o'clock, I'm gonna be out. I'm out of here. No hesitation. Headed up to go eat some barbecue ribs. Absolutely. I got him on a smoker. Nice. My father does like this. It's like a family recipe. They're kind of like a teriyaki style pork ribs. Like you cube them up, and then they turn into like a glaze. It's really good. It's delicious. I know when my grandfather made them, he only made them on charcoal though. Like, he was very specific. My father does not. My father just throws them on the gas grill, but my grandfather would always pull out the old Weber charcoal grill and fire that bad boy off. So we got 5 minutes before the market opens here. Taking side bets. I got $5 on the gap up at open. So walk to you. Yeah, the Magic 8 Ball says we're going up. So Monica's gonna take your bet. Can we expect a dump? I don't know. I mean, everyone's thinking short, right? We're thinking gold gap up, oil gap up, and ES, MNQ, things like that gap down. That's kind of what everyone's thinking. But I don't know, it'll be interesting. I think we're gonna get some movement, that's for sure. I think it's gonna be wild, at least to start. Crypto's down, so like Bitcoin's down, everything's down, which is actually a pretty good indication. Cranston White. ChatGPT says positive opening. I think ChatGPT always says it's gonna be positive. That's funny, O'Dane. I like it though. Yeah, I've got a Kamado egg. Oh yeah, the big green egg. Yeah, I've seen those. Slow smoke for hours, can get up to 1200 degrees to make pizza. Oh, that's awesome. Actually, that's pretty cool. So you can sear on that sucker. So before the market opens, guys, the last day for the buy one get one My Funded Futures starter plus or expert. So if you pass an eval from starter plus or an expert account, you get one for free. So as soon as you pass it, you get an email saying that you get another account for free. No activation fees either. So appreciate you guys using my code PINE on that. A few of you used it last week, so I appreciate it. Terry Trades 100. I passed and got a free one. It was super cool. Yeah, it is cool. Nestor thinking gap down mostly because of all the war stuff of the weekend. U.S. bombing Iran is big. So what do you think, Terry? Do you think we gap down on NQ? Or do you think we gap up or just stays? What do you think? What are you betting? Hey, Alfred. Let's do it. Ready for another work week. Let's go. Best job in the world. You think you can gap up? Think we gap down? Not sure after that. Same. Yo, Jim. What's happening? Ooh, big gap down there, guys. Big gap down. 200 points. Approximately. Maybe a little less. Market is open, guys. Hey, Cave Trader, what's going on? Time to make the Clambo money? Absolutely. You passed 2 Peelnox in 2 seconds. Nice, Kenny. Nice work. I love it. Even MNQ is wild right now. Gold popping, I bet. Yeah, big gap up in gold. Tyler's rich. He's rich. If anyone needs a loan from Tyler, he's in the chat. He offers very low interest loans. But nice gap up. Oil, I expect to gap up. Oh yeah, big gap up in oil. Extremely low interest, Tyler says. Whew. Guys, do me a favor and smash that like button here on a Sunday night in the reopen. I appreciate the support. $138 people watching. Really appreciate you guys tuning in tonight. Let's see what we can do. Try not to do too much damage. It's always the worst when you do a lot of damage right on the start of the new week on Sunday night. Just made my last $100 to mark my 5th day on my funded futures. Just gonna trade this anymore until I'm not gonna trade this anymore until I withdraw the 1200. Yeah, oh, nice work, O'Dane. Congratulations on the my funded futures payout. My funded futures will pay you out super quickly, so no need to worry on that. Donna, JC Trades. Made 300 on 2 XFAs on that gap. Locked out both. Nice. Now let's go through $3,000 payout. Guys are just killing it. Nestor, congratulations on the XFA payout. Take that Michael Patak money, please. Awesome, man.
Order filled. Order filled. Order cancelled. Order filled.
I'll try a little long here. Some of the micros.
Order working.
Please do not follow my trades. This is on an eval too.
Order working.
This is just a guess. We might get up in that gap just a little bit.
Order filled.
All right, there's 2 off there. Hey, Brandon, what's up?
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Too late, I followed, I full ported. I'm sorry, Brandon. Hopefully it's a banger. Hopefully it's a banger for you. Gold just took you to the promised land? Nice. It's wild I'm in MNQs. Yeah, me too, Terry. Trading the micros. Does the My Fund Futures pass one day? Deal ends tonight. Yes. Yes, yo, Jim. Buy one expert, buy one starter plus, buy one pass it, get one for free. Ends tonight. So use code PINE. Appreciate the support of the channel.
Order cancelled.
There you go, pushing up there. Kind of held that VWAP here. See if we can push a little bit higher. Look for like 736 possibly.
Order filled.
Actually gonna add one here. Get up there!
filled.
All right, took one off, or two off.
Order filled.
I'm gonna flatten out right there. Just see what happens here next.
Order cancelled.
We'll flatten there. Slinging around the micros here. We'll see what. I mean, we could push it up into this gap. You know, some. Very large gap. It's 200 points approximately. Let me see. Actually, let me check that. 150 points actually. So very large. That's what she said. Still pushing higher. Eval pass, nice. Could come up to Friday's close. It could. Like 13 points.
Order filled.
Oof. So I'm slinging around this eval here, getting a little aggressive with it. See what happens.
Order filled.
I just think there's so many shorts in this market right now. If we continue, we might just keep pushing and squeezing a little bit. It's kind of what I'm thinking.
Order cancelled.
Yeah, it's approaching the magical 6,000 number. Boner candles. Boner green candles, yeah. I actually feel like I should have just waited for a little bit of a pullback here, but...
Order filled.
I just hopped in long on a TPT as well. A little better price, 716.50. Hey, Christopher Campbell, what's going on? Hey, Jose, JT, TCG in the house. Bulanox 90% off? I don't think so. I think they're 83% off, Jake. I'll double check in just a minute.
Order cancelled.
Well, put in a Harami candle. Nice, TCG. I'm sure you'll win. Bulanox. No, Bulanox is 83% off right now. If you want to use code PINE, option 1, 25Ks and 50Ks. Corey the phone trader in the house. What's up, buddy? I don't like this. Don't like it at all. Yeah, it is still going on. Buy one, get one. Pro Plus or Expert account. When you use is the luckiest code on the prop streets. Pine. Yeah, buy one if you pass and then get one. Caught 2600 on the bounce at the opening. Move on to Bulanox Master. Oh, nice camo. Bitcoin back over 100K. I qualified my first payout ever if I can get my consistency in line over the next 8 days. Oh, nice camo. So you're already over the you're already over, huh? Nice work. Oh. Yeah, I'm not liking this.
Order cancelled.
Flattening. Damn.
Order filled.
I'm gonna short on the take profit trader account. Off the Harami. Salami Harami. Actually, I might just do. Oh, come on, tag me out there. I missed my TP by a tick. Or 2 points. A clam on wheels. Nice bounce off the VWAP there. Missed my take profit by just a point. It was a little too quick for me. See what happens here. I'm just gonna go for the 50% now. Gold. Pulling back some. Looks like it's about ready to rally again. Oil. Also, big gap up and pulled right back. Pulling back into the gap. I don't expect much move on a fear move on the market. I think the news has been pretty tame. Yeah, we've slowed down for a bit here. We're digesting. It's trying to short. Looks like the bears are done. I don't know. Kind of feels like it. We just chop sideways for the next 2 hours now. Right now we're just kind of grinding higher, it feels like, so hopefully we can get a little break below the VWAP. The VWAP. Almost hit DLL on the My Funded Future account. Just an eval there, but still. Not a cheap eval, so I'm letting it breathe for a minute. These ones are not cheap either. It's not like slinging around a 90% off Beelnox account. tend to try to treat these ones with a little more care. I'm old enough to remember when dropping bombs on other countries made the fun markets. Yeah. I'm gonna stop trying to overcomplicate things and go back to normal bias. It's a bull flag, and that's, yeah, exactly. Brian, I mean, red candles. Brian, what's going on, Brian? All right, I'm still short off this Harami, but it doesn't feel good. We're holding above the VWAP. Putting in an inside bar here. Close 692. Yeah,
Order cancelled.
I'm out of that. Down 65 on that account, but that's alright. Got that inside bar here. I'm gonna long.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Full port off the inside bar. This is gonna be possibly a smash or pass, or smash or 50% consistency. So just be aware of that. Sabak, what's going on? I don't know. What's going on, Dawood? Alright, see if we can get 751. Alright, nice move up here. There we go, that's what we want to see.
Order filled. Order cancelled. Order filled. Order cancelled.
Stops at break even.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Oil up 3%. Yeah, crazy, huh? Good thing I drive a Corolla and not a Clambo. There we go. That's what I want to see right there. Nice play off the inside bar here. Swept the previous Harami. Gonna lock in a little bit.
Stop filled.
All right. I'm flat.
Cancelled.
I should have just been bold and held, and we would have hit 50% consistency on that play. I think that's where our original take profit was, right around 751. So basically that's just all off the inside bar. We ended up flipping the switch. I ended up going short on that Harami here. It missed our TP by like 2 points, bounced off the VWAP, put it in the inside bar. We flipped the switch long, so. Thank you, Benjamin. I have a feeling we will be back at highs for tomorrow. Probably all-time highs, George. You never know. Coach Fred in the house. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Really appreciate it. Half or smash. That's right, Fred. Half or smash. So it's a good start on those ones. I think I'll move to 374 now. You have to trade these accounts for 5 days anyway. Generally, I like to get it done in like two days, but you know, we'll see. Hey Wayne, hot summer night trading. Yeah, it is. It is gonna be like Florida hot. Tuesday. Calling for 110 degrees. Possibly. 100 to 110. No problem, just the end of the world as we know it. Yeah, no problem, guys. Back in the range, yeah, right back in that range. It's crazy the Bionox Master 50K is currently up 62K. They're definitely not gonna let me keep this after my third payout. O'Dane, yeah. Nice work though. Hey, if you can do it with Bionox, you can do it with anyone. Still pushing up higher. It's gonna fill the gap. You think so? You think we fill the gap tonight? 50% of the gap filled. Was it? I feel like we're not quite there. I think we have more. Oh, you're talking about the gap for the close. Yeah, if you're talking about the gap on the cash close, for sure. ES did not like busting through the 6,000. No, definitely rejected off 6,002. Pulling back here, 597s. No, Benjamin, it's not. It's because we're at war. Yeah, no, we knew it was gonna be a little exciting tonight. So, but yeah, no, it's usually not like this. I think it's possible to fill it before Hong Kong, just the algos, unless we get some more news. I think it fills before lower. It could. Yeah, and that's the thing, is we could get headlines at any time. I could send this market wherever it wants, you know. Full port short, Wayne. Good luck, sir. The bombing news. We haven't heard from Russia or China. China. Yeah. I don't pay much attention. I love not to know. But definitely because of the news over the weekend is why we get the markets moving, which is great. It's what we want. Nice falling spot now. Possibly. Let's take a look at gold. Gold is coming down. Gold looks like it wants to fill the gap. Oil, same. So, gold looks like it's trying to pop a little bit now. Yes. Still below the 6,000s. They're going to say stuff for media purposes, but you know Trump already talked to them on it. Yeah, for sure. It's funny, I was at the gym today. They had CNN, they had Fox News up there, and it was both saying like completely different things, of course. So it's just like it's like two TVs side by side. It was kind of funny. Both the talking points were like opposite of each other. Ah, it's crazy. Madness. But definitely should set the pace for this week as far as market movements. Tomorrow we have flash PMI at 9:45, existing home sales at 10, and Tuesday 10, Fed Powell testifies. I was testifying all week, pretty much, or Tuesday and Wednesday. And Thursday, final GDP, unemployment. And Friday, GDP, Canada GDP, and core price index, PCE, on Friday. This is what we got going. All right, market is just kind of slowly grinding up right now. Let's take a peek at the 1 minute, just for the, you can just see it kind of just grinding up here. Romeo, when you withdraw, does your max drawdown adjust with it? Yeah, it does. So your max drawdown, whatever it is, so like if you, like on this account, when they take the money out, because I just placed a, anything over 1,500 you can take a payout on. So this is what I made on Friday. So it will go back to 1,500. So yeah, so hit 829, negative 829 on the My Funded Future account, up 915 on this take profit account, and up 740 on this take profit account. So good little start here, and I'm currently going to work on the 374 here. See what happens. Goodbye rate cuts, fake controlled oppositions. When you withdraw, oh yeah, I read that. We're gonna say, oh, I already read that. Dr. Phil, it was $450, so expensive. But what happened was, I was feeling a little tilty, and we ended up getting this drop. Started getting this drop here. I reset the account and ended up shorting. No, actually, you know what? We got that drop and I ended up going long actually. And let's see if it shows. No, it doesn't show my orders. I can't quite remember the what I did. Yeah, 450 bucks. So net positive. That's usually what I can do that most of the time. If I can reset the account when the market's really moving, I can usually get to payout on that same day, and then my goal is always to get that money back at least. And if I'm profitable over the reset fee, then even better, right? And then I'll go and hopefully make some money come tomorrow, whenever they take this money out. They haven't taken it out yet, so. Because what I try to do is squash the trailing drawdown as fast as possible if the market conditions are right. And that's why I have pretty good luck with the 25K accounts. Because, if it was a 50K account, I'd only have gotten a $275 payout. But yeah. I just got back and caught the end of it. If you don't take the profit, do you stay above the buffer? Yeah, Christopher Campbell. So yeah, as soon as you get over the buffer, the trailing, it stops. So as soon as you get over 1,500 bucks, it stops right there. It becomes static, 50K is shouldn't figure because they want 675 bucks. Yeah, yeah, 150Ks are like 1,500 bucks. I don't mess with those. 450, I can handle. I kind of feel like it's, to me, Take Profit Trader feels like a personal account a little bit, and I'm like, well, I'm risking 450 bucks on that trade or that day. If you're trading a personal account, you realize like 450 bucks is not a lot of money when it comes to trading personal. So it's a lot of money. I'm not gonna, no question, but Moria found me when the market was dark. Now it's only up. Believe in the new legend. Moria the mega boss. For TPT, I really like the 25K accounts over the 50Ks because it's easier to make above the buffer. Yeah, logical thinker. I've been crushing the 25Ks this year, and the majority of my payouts have been from 25K accounts. I had a 150K. I can't manage to get a payout on it. I have gotten payouts on 50Ks as well, but anything over 50Ks, I struggle. It is nice to have that much drawdown once you get funded, but and yeah, guys, and if you guys want to try out Take Profit Trader, you can use my code PINE, all caps, PINE. Appreciate the support on that. Hearing you crack that open sent me to my fridge for a cold brew. Yeah, maybe in Jeff, maybe in about an hour, I might crack open a cold brew. Even though it is a school night, but if the old man's barbecuing, it's tough not to go up there and at least crack one open. And if I crack one open, you might as well give me two. I can usually stop at two though. For top steps, I struggle on anything below 150K, but on TPT, the 25K is so easy I can't figure out why. I think probably logical thinker, you get over that trailing drawdown very quickly and then it becomes static. But with like Top Step and you know, the non-consistency and the end of day drawdown. I think end of day drawdown accounts, it's always nice to have a bigger buffer or a bigger drawdown, you know. That's for sure. Tried buying a starter plus account. It's not letting you TJP. Is it the site down? That's weird. Let me check on my end here. Huh. Seems to be working on my end. TJP, I don't know. Maybe clear your cookies or catch or something. It's weird. Hey! When is the next Wolfarami short? I don't know, I put it in an inside bar here. I do. Ooh, I don't want to be on my pro account. Not until I get that payout. I am going to work on this other account here. This is the eval 374. We'll see what happens full time. The other ones are up to a good start, so I'll just play around with this account here. It does feel like we're gonna short. I should short here. Let's see. Feels like a short. Feels like we're gonna break that, but man, do we really? We could head back down to the VWAP.
Order filled.
All right, I'm short.
Order filled.
Off the inside bar here, but very wide stop out. Did we actually break that inside bar? We didn't. I thought we actually broke it. We'll see. Do we get lucky on this? We actually never broke the inside bar, so it's a little dangerous. The VWAP. That's right. Looks like the market's froze there. Take a look at gold. Gold pushing back up, so that's probably good for our short on NASDAQ. Gold, oil, still pushing down here into the gap.
Order working. Order working. Order working. Order filled. Order working. Order working. Order filled.
Alright, NASDAQ broke that inside bar now. Not much momentum, that's for sure. Oil's still trying to fill that gap down. You guys do me a favor and smash that like button. Thanks for hanging out tonight. I think it's gonna be a wild week with the headlines and everything. Oh, getting that pushed down now. Liking it. I'm actually gonna short oil.
Order filled.
On my funded futures on the other screen.
Order filled.
Short oil over here. The other screen here. Come on, NASDAQ. Anesh Deep Singh, thank you for the sub. I appreciate the support. Alright, oil's looking good. Oil has some support at 775.22. Okay, thank you. Taking one off the gold there. I mean the oil. I never trade oil, but this just kind of looks. So we were down 800 something, back down 400 currently, unrealized. It's got about half back there. And we are in a NASDAQ short on the eval as well. Hey, thank you, man. Thank you, Anesh. Appreciate it. Ooh, like that. On the old oil. I also took the oil. I got out quickly on the Express funded account. Not Express, Expert funded account. You know, I was on my funded futures TV the other day. I saw Dell there. What's up, Dell? And I was wondering, I'm like, did I call my Expert account Express account? So I feel like I did, which is kind of funny. Hey, Camo, thank you so much for the support. Appreciate it. Good luck on that account, Camo. Start getting those daily payouts, man. It's a game changer. Terry Trade, you didn't notice? I felt like I did when I was talking. I go, did I just call that an Express account? Because I see the X, like, I see that X and I go, I just think Express. It's the Expert. How's the trading going, Terry? How's the trading going? I feel like this is a
order filled.
All right, I'm out of the oil trade there. Not too bad. I got back a few $100. And up to 30 on the funded expert account. And we are still short on the take profit trader. So we are just trading machines tonight. But anytime I see like a market, I never trade oil by the way, guys. But every time I see like a market just keeps trending, I took the break off that inside bar again, but it looks like it's tightening up. So see if we get a little pop here. Not really sure what's gonna happen, but I just kind of just hopped in. It's just going, Terry says. Bonds equals bullish. It tends to, yeah, sometimes. Oh, this is interesting. Put in another inside bar here. Hopefully we get a break to the downside. But maybe I should just... I'm gonna take one off right here. Here's my game plan. Put one at break even. Wait for the break. I'll hop back in. If we continue the break lower, then and it doesn't hit our stop, then even better. But all right, so there's the break there. So we'll just leave the one on and place a stop up here. 760. So essentially risking the last trade for a big win. If you can push down to the VWAP, 710s, 715s, be a nice 40 point, 35, 40 point win. Risking 160 bucks, so I like it. Oh, thanks for the sub, Eric Zhang. Thank you, appreciate it. Welcome. Smash that like button too, guys. If you guys are just coming in. Oil's still pushing down into that gap there. I don't know, if I was short oil, I'd be holding. Not financial advice, by the way. Celebration at 2K subs? Absolutely. We will. Why are we there? Oh, no, we're not there. We will be. Probably by July, I'm guessing. Alright, so we're getting a little pop back up.
Order cancelled.
Ooh, I got some major slippage on that. You guys see that? I got over 10 points of slippage. Well, that's sucks. Huh. Yeah. 10 points of slippage on that. Yeah, but definitely a celebration at 2K. So we're almost there, guys. If you haven't subbed already, please sub. Appreciate that. And oil is continuing to crash. How did we open down there? Bombs, Cave Trader. Bombs. That's how we opened up down there. Thank you, Dell, for smashing the like button. Appreciate that. Up 1450 on the new Billinox eval. Awesome, O'Dane. Crushing it. Is it possible to use Trade8 to trade more accounts across different prop firms? Yes, through NinjaTrader. I think XD, but I don't know how to do it. Sorry. I'm sure there's probably someone in the chat that knows how to do it. Yeah, using like a third-party NinjaTrader copier type deal. Okay, yeah, logical thinker. Just yeah, use NinjaTrader and a trade copier. Is it safe? I don't know. I don't use them. Yeah, I don't use them. The only one that I like Replicanto. The only one I've ever used XD was Quantower. Sometimes it's bugged, yeah. I think Alpine Trader actually had an issue with it last week. I'm not sure which one he uses though. Brandon says he likes Trade Sinker. So there's another one. I trade 30 Trade8 accounts at once between Apex, MFU, and Take Profit. Logical Thinker does. Wow, nice. Yep, NinjaTrader owns Trade8. Yep. So you can log in with Trade8 to NinjaTrader. Yeah, I don't really know how any of that works. I've never sat down and tried to figure it out. Oil continuing to push down. Working to fill that gap there. Little bounce at 720, 721. Up 75.20. I mean, what I was trying to say. All right, kind of just chopping sideways at the moment, so we'll see. I think if we start to trade back to the new possible new lows in the NAS, it's possible, yeah. I don't know. It's a little tough read right now. We just kind of put in an inside bar, and then we put in an outside bar, and then we're just chopping sideways. Almost looks like we're gonna put another inside bar. So. Gold, nice little flag break on the gold. Kind of breaking down there. Gold is. To do it in Ninja, go to connection. Oh, to do it in Ninja Trace, go to Connections, select Configure, then add new NinjaTrader login, and put your Trade8 credentials in. Full port, let's go. Terry says. Full port, Terry's in the house. You full port short on the oil, Terry? Because that looks really good. Just slowly grinding down. Wish Take Profit would pay me so I can potentially trade this account. Hey, thank you for whoever just used my MyFunded Futures code. I appreciate that. Checking to see if take profit has paid me yet. Nope, not yet. Full port, let's go. You're full port too. Let's go, guys. No one's saying full port what though. Full port short, full port long. Everyone's just full port. Full port short Terry. Good luck. I like it. Especially after this break of this inside bar here. Push down to the VWAP.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm short too. Off the inside bar. I'm mad because I got so much slippage on that stop out. How dare it do that with my sim account. It's smart. Oh, day no. Yeah, no, I mean you're smart. See if we can get the flush. Damn, who was it that called out the 720 or 7522 support? Someone in the chat called out that 7522 support and it nailed it. And it's pushing back up. Nice work. Only full port to degen a payout on a new funded account. That's only if I'm willing to lose. Hey Mayor, what's up? 740 area on NQ. Friday's low. It's holding a well support. It's going to be the new range for the next hour. It kind of feels like it, doesn't it? Design, which really sucks. Which means we'll probably get stopped out on this. Hey, Gregory Blake in the house. What's going on? Choppy markets, yeah, for sure. Unless you don't just caught any of the momentum. The inside bars to start were paying decent. We caught that nice one there, but so far it's been slowing down a bit. Doing okay, Mayor. Living the dream. Living the dream. Top Steps got rid of their trade evade option? No kidding, Willie C. Wow. Living the Dreams for Dummies bestseller. Very interesting. All right, getting a little push down here. See if we can continue. Wow, crazy, yeah. You no longer can get trade evade with Top Step. Quant Tower, Ninja Trader, Top. Well, you still do Ninja Trader, so that's interesting. Yeah, they want everyone on Top Step X. Exactly. Exactly logical. If you go to the new dashboard, they're all gone. Oh wow. Oh wow. Top Slip X, that's right, Romeo. All right, 750s here. Still kind of trying to grind down, but it's really looking like a bull flag, don't it? It's really looking like a bull flag.
Order filled. Order filled.
Trader will be back. You think so? I don't know. They really like Logical Thinker says, they really want people on that new platform, and I truly believe it, on the Top Step X, because they own Top Step X or Project X. So I really think that they want everyone on it.
Order cancelled. Order filled. Order working. Order filled.
All right, Nasdaq's trying to push up here. They get tired of giving free resets because of trade evade issues. Yeah, probably. You know, Project X has issues occasionally. They all have issues from time to time. Rhythmic will go crazy for like a couple weeks. Trade evade will go crazy for a few days. Hey, thank you for the sub, CJ Hans. Appreciate the support. And Rhythmic goes nuts for you every day. Yeah, I have Tradeovate XFA through TopStep. I use their old dashboard. Oh, yeah, cool, CJ. Yeah, I think it's good for now. But I think if you try to buy a new accounts, it's probably not gonna be able to get it. But right now, you can still use it. Hey Matt, just finished my 3K for the evaluation. Got a 50K account. Let's go, Matt. Congratulations. That's awesome. But I have to keep my PC on for Tradeovate, otherwise my brackets will not fill if I turn it off. Oh, really? Hey, going short. Thank you for the sub. Hopefully, people, when I call out your name, people are gonna think I'm actually going short. Where's Big Joom? I don't know, Dell. I thought you were hanging out with Joom over in the Thailand. Awaken Jumwalker, show yourself. Yeah, nowhere to be found, right? Disappeared. Boy, NASDAQ just really slowed down here.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Calling it a day here. Oh, nice. Odane, expecting a $1,500 payout from Beelnox this Wednesday. Just screwed another $1,200. Or just secured another $1,200 for my Fund Futures. Let's go, Odane. Nice work. I got a 34-inch screen today. 27 died. Taking some time to get used to it. Oh, wow. Get the big screen going. Nice. Just waiting for Pine to log off and go crazy. That's how it goes. Exactly. Cave Trader. That's exactly how it goes. You too, man. You too, Odane.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
All right, stops up there at 763.50. Am I on tilt? That's like a lot of trades? No. No, not on tilt. Hodling? Trying, Terry. Trying. I'm hodling. If I stop here, I can take a $3,800 payout. CJ, take the payout, brother. Take the payout. Not financial advice. Nice work.
Order cancelled.
That's a lot of guacamole. Take profit on one of them? No. Got a hodl. Diamond hands. That's just an eval, bro. Financial advice. Yeah, I missed a battle, exactly. $3,800 is a nice chunk for sure. All right. If I have a lot something said if it hits, I won't touch it for the remainder of the day and take it anyways. It's in the bag. Oh, nice, CJ. Nice. That's always a good feeling. Alright, looks like we're breaking that bull flag here. It's not looking good, but you using the lockout feature? Oh, nice, CJ, yeah. Very, very smart to use the lockout feature. I have a quick question on Apex. If I pass the eval 53,000, does the 30% system will apply to the 3K in the eval profit or first profit made as PA? Just a PA tour. There's no real rules with Apex with evaluations. So you're good. Congratulations. You passed one. Oh, if you pass. Yeah. There's no rules. Trading is 95% psychological. Yeah, absolutely, CJ. Absolutely. 100%. 100%, 95%. Alright, coming back to the 750s. Market's kind of chopping a range now. Kind of pushed. Broke this bear flag. Bull flag. It's not really looking good for our position. My Funny Futures didn't activate my 3 experts. I passed Friday, and now I'm 400 away from passing the 3 accounts. Mr. Battle. Oh, that's weird. Usually they're really quick about it. Got a bull flag on 50, 15. Yeah. Very much so. But yeah, problem is right now we are just shopping sideways. You took a short on crude oil and that was stressful at 6 p.m. Tricky. Nice. Holding above the ORB. Here we are holding. It's kind of looking just to take a little test of the VWAP here, but let's see what happens. Macro Can, thank you for the sub, appreciate it. Ooh, almost stopped out there. Market tests everyone every day, every trade. Absolutely. Market will humble. You have a good day, good week, good month. Eventually the market will humble you too. It's like we're in danger of getting stopped out here. Do I trade on gold? No, I don't, Anesh. I do not. If I do, it's just the futures, gold futures. But I don't trade much gold at all. It usually humbles you on a Friday, yeah, for sure. It humbles those that need it, not those that follow the trade plan, for sure. Keep daily loss limits too. Gotta walk away on red days. Then you have to think about it all weekend. It's the worst. Yeah, I just trade the, yep, for sure, Anish. Yep, the futures. I don't trade any of the Forex stuff. CJ loves taking your money. You delete it from the watch list. Yeah, well, I should. I don't trade it normally, but sometimes during the Globex open, I'll trade it a little bit. If the NASDAQ's not moving. Yeah, for sure, Cave. Yeah, absolutely. Walk away on red days. Start getting payouts. It's like magic. Well, we got lucky we didn't get stopped out there. Yet. Holding it just above that inside bar. We went short on the inside bar, we held it. And yeah, we'll see. I'm liking the chances that we're gonna get stopped out though.
Order rejected. Order
Stop
cancelled.
filled.
Yeah, stopped out there. Oh, feels bad. To be fair, I told you. I told you, CJ. I told you. Hey, Michael, what's going on, man? It is what it is. So yeah, we are just pushing up here. Nice bull flag break, technically. There. But yeah. Pulled it into 5-minute fair value, guys. Buys the bounce. Up 1K up on the demo. Nice, Matt. Looking for 780s. Yeah, possibly. I think we could continue to push up to the gap. But we'll see. We will see. What's oil doing? You look for a push to fill the gap? Yeah, we could. I would have maybe waited to do it, drop below the VWAP to look for short setups, but it was good as we gapped down. Yeah, I mean, it was off my inside bar strat, so that's all I'm looking for. Oil looks like it's curling back up.
Order working. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
Let's check out oil here. Hey, you got some ribs off, smoker? Hey, sounds good, design. Thank you for tuning in. Looks like I got top tick, yeah. It's all right. I think we could. I don't know. We'll see. Feels like it just kind of put it in a range here, and it's gonna wait for the Tokyo Open here at 8. Full port short. Ah, good luck. Yeah, we might not fill the gap. We never know. I mean, it is a pretty large gap. Usually when the market opens up like that during blowbacks, what I've seen in the past is that, you know, it doesn't fill it right away, and can just continue to tease and then end up fading back lower or whatever. We saw that a few months ago with the headline news when we got a large gap. So it's the old market profile theory, you know, go with all gaps unless filled right away. But you never know. We'll see. Jinzo, what's happening? You still short, chat? Good luck. Just waiting for another setup here. This is a 5-minute chart. Yep. Gold looking bullish. Let's take a look at gold. I'm look gold in a minute. Definitely looking gold, bullish. Definitely it held the gap. Looking for definitely looking for possibly testing this wick up here. It's a big rejection here. 3,400, 13. Oil still left a big gap. Hey, Elon 150s. Thank you for the sub, guys. We're headed to 2,000 subs, which is pretty awesome. I really appreciate the support, guys. Smash that like button if you haven't already. Waiting for the 1 hour to flip bullish. Alright, I gotta pee. I've been doing the pee dance for like 20 minutes. Alright, I'm back. Pee break, yes. Oh, nice. Yo, Jim, with 2,000 subs, I wonder how many footlongs that includes. Well, everything is just moving sideways now. Kind of sucks. Yeah, we kind of got top ticked on that stop though, which kind of sucks. So it just ran that inside bar is what it did, and then immediately pulled right back down. Been holding gold shorts since the open. Oh, good luck, Eric. So, guys, just a reminder: My Funded Futures last day. Buy one, get one on the Starter Plus, the Expert, or the Expert accounts. If you buy a Starter Plus using my code PINE and you pass it, they will give you another one for free, another evaluation. Same with the Expert account. Pass the Expert account, they will give you another eval for free. So a really good deal, no activation fees. If you want to use code PINE, I appreciate the support of my little baby channel here. That's not so much baby anymore. It's starting to grow. It's almost like a sophomore channel now. Appreciate the support, guys, and it's all because of you. Lobber Dobber is for the Pro Starter Plus or the Experts. Starter Plus or the Experts, yeah. That ends at midnight tonight. I think it's a really good deal. Terry trades past the, I think a Starter Plus, and then got an email that she got another account to trade, so. Yeah, no problem, Lobber Dobber. I put an inside bar here, but I don't know. Just don't like it. Did I get my Take Profit Trader payout yet? Let's see. Refresh. No. Short Matt, good luck. Market kind of slowed down a bit. Waiting for the move below the VWAP. Yeah, it's down there about 722s. But I don't think we're gonna get it. Well, maybe before the Tokyo Open, but feels like we're waiting for the Tokyo Open right now.
Order filled.
So it's hanging out right here at 750s. There's a little pop there.
Order working. Order filled. Order rejected.
Oil's starting to curl back down. Possibly heading back down to the gap.
Order filled.
Oil's pushing down. Yo, Jim. Pine, my finincial sign up is offering a 6% discount. Is that in addition to pass one, get one promo? Yeah. Yes, yo, Jim. By using code PINE, you get that 6% discount as well. Pretty awesome, huh? As of right now, it's working. But yeah. Absolutely. Thank you so much, yo, Jim.
Order filled.
All right, market's trying. It's just chopping around, actually. It's just kind of putting in the range here. 770s to 740s. It's kind of waiting for the market to reopen. The Tokyo Open at 8. All right, yo, Jim. Thank you so much for using my code. Yeah, guys, if you guys would like to help support my channel and you want to use my code PINE with Bulanox, Apex, My Funded Futures, it's got that buy one, get one when you pass for the Startup Plus and the Experts. And also, Take Profit Trader. PINE, all capital, PINE, so Take Profit Trader. Get the daily payouts. You can see right here, I'm waiting on my daily payout right now on this account, and I'm working on getting some more pro accounts. So yeah, I think I'm gonna call it right there, guys. I'm starving. I'm gonna go eat some barbecue. I'll be here all week, so really appreciate the support. Smash that like button on your way out. Use code PINE to help support the channel. And I will catch you guys later. Stay safe, guys. Peace. Later, Lobber. See ya, Cave. Peace out, guys. Thanks for tuning in. It was fun.